Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually open up your door. Maybe it's stuck for some reason. So you might have to look down here. There could be a little flap you have to lift up and you just have to pull it. I'll show you in the back. But on this version, you can kind of see the symbol right here. Well, all I have to do is lift up and it'll open up my door manually. So if you ever get stuck in your vehicle and it doesn't work, you can just lift up right here and you can see the symbol. I'll show you when I get out, but just yank this up and you should be able to unlock that now. So I'll get a light and show you a little bit clearer when I get done here in the back. But you can see in the back seat there is a symbol just like this. You just have to take this out and then you just have to yank this cord and that'll open up the door. So just like that, just yank this cord and that'll pop up, and then I just have to place this back and press down. So there is a little hole right to the top right. You can pretty much lift that up with. So let's go back to the front now. And you can see the symbol right here. If you see that symbol, just lift up on it and that will manually open up the door, or it could be located down here. If you have a rubber mat or something, you're going to have to lift that up and take out the rubber mat, and then you should be able to find it in there too. And this kind of goes further back. And I want to show you the manual release here for the charger. And this is going to be right here, hidden up here. So you can kind of see it right here. You just have to pull this little ribbon and this will unlock the charger if it's stuck. So I don't know if this just came out now, but I'm gonna have to put it back in then. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.